Hello. So I have a sneaky peeky. I'm excited again. It's here. So this has been my most requested book since I started on this journey. As most of y'all know, this is the Poms and Posies collection. And as soon as I said that I was starting to do the books, lots of people asked if I could include that in the collection. So I hope you like it. So I have taken all of the bestsellers and I will give you a little look inside. So we have Anna. So there are 10 character sheets within the book and there's 2 sheets of each. So I have Anna, and then there's Carol. And there's the sisters. So that's your Poms and Posies collection. So across the book you have enough to make at least 80 cards. So it's a little bit bigger than the Gorgeous Gardens one, but I just couldn't leave out any of them. So I've literally taken all of the bestsellers from the website and popped it in the book for you. So I thought I would show you some of the samples that I had using the Poms and Posies. These are the ones that never made it to the shop, so I haven't got them all. If you go onto the Poms and Posies section on the website, you'll be able to find all of the samples that me and Laura have made with these. But yeah, loads of them have gone to the shop. So let's start off with these. Just for a little bit of inspiration. So the sheets are available on the website individually, or you have the book, which is now available. It's actually live on Amazon now, so I will pop a link on the post for you so you can find it. And then, sorry for the reflection, these are already in there and their cello sleeves ready to go. That one's just got just a tiny bit of stickles, just to pop a little bit of sparkle on it. I've got the stickles in there, and I've got some of the tiny little punched flowers, just to give it a little bit of embellishment. The super easy to use. I'm going to be using lots of these for my own Christmas cards this year because they lend themselves to quite flat cards as well, so they're going to be a lot cheaper to post. So I hope you like the Poms and Posies book. I hope you like what I've done, and stay tuned because I have done a couple of more books. I'm just waiting of them getting approved from the publishers, and I will share them with you. So thank you so much for joining me. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.